Oh, now I'm like, why this shit look so... I bet. Y'all ready?
Yeah, run that shit.
I'm gonna add like another 10 seconds to it though, and then I'm gonna leave it at normal. Please, bro, don't like, you feel me? Don't do no bullshit, bro. Please. I gotta stop chewing shit, bro. I really gotta stop.
This nigga don't even know what he drawing for real.
Yo, relax, bro.
Nigga, he ain't even like, nigga drew some. Oh, I forgot. I gotta start guessing. What am I doing? Oh.
Yo.
Oh.
What the fuck?
What?
Oh.
I was about to say producer too. I ain't gonna lie. Signal, stupid boy. What the fuck is this? Camcast, yeah. Get him out of there.
Right.
What the fuck is this? Yo, Jose, if this is some bullshit, I'm on your ass, nigga. I'm on your
No, relax, bro. No. When you see the thing, it's like, bro, I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. Oh
my god, bro, it's over, bro.
Oh yeah.
This nigga not that ass, cuz.
Oh my god.
No, my fault.
I'm down, nigga.
Oh, just skip me.
Ain't no skip, nigga. It's a timer. You know we get points from this, right? You fucking up my point system.
Relax, bro.
Yo, whose program? He said tell Jose he's the GOAT.
It's Blast, bro. He's being weird.
Yo, Blast.
It was broadcast, onion powder, and some other. It was Africa. I'm not gonna do Africa. Like,
okay, you could. You Africa. What?
No.
That's not racist.
No,
that's not.
Cat is gonna be on my ass.
Bro,
no.
Nah, you looking too deep into it, gang.
Right. This about to be a W.
This nigga Mike too fucking like I put this shit down.
The fuck?
The fuck is this?
Y'all gotta let me finish drawing. Y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna.
Nigga said bad frame. Oh.
Trust no nigga, I don't trust nobody. In the killing, you ain't shot nobody. Tell me how you Johnny don't got no bodies, man. You could call us tokens. Up on the block alone with the
Dominoes?
That's what I'm saying. It should be domino, right? What?
What's the word?
See, y'all niggas retarded.
W. John.
Oh!
W. John.
That's. I don't know you spelled it like that. What the fuck? Dumbass word. That's a weird ass word.
W. John. Yes, sir.
Yo, I just gave y'all niggas a hint. Y'all stupid as shit. Like, come on, bro. Yeah, y'all niggas. Like, oh, there we go. Nah, Jose, yeah, you
kidding, man.
Now you don't spell the words right. Like, I don't understand.
Why your name every game had to be suck
Now
me
you don't
cock?
want to spell the words right. It's crazy.
Why your name gotta be suck me cock in every game we play? I just peeped that. Among Us, suck me cock. This, suck me cock. Everything we play, suck me cock. Why? Your name can't be Giles? Oh, bitch! Ah, nigga! Yeah, nigga! Oh, fuck, nigga! You stupid nigga!
Fuck!
It's me, nigga. It's me.
Come on, like this is easy.
Nah, it is.
Fuck!
Yeah, nigga. You're not faster, yo. You come on. I was playing another type in middle school, nigga. This is nothing.
Nah, you was.
Come on, nigga.
I'm 4th right now. Oh, I'm 2 ass. This nigga said dead. This nigga said dead.
Once I seen the X, it was over.
The fuck?
Please
Yeah,
don't. Points, bro. Please, bro. I know you.
Oh, shut up, nigga.
Nigga about to post something. This go. We cooked, bro. We cooked. It's over. Yeah, it's over. Yeah, it's over. It's over. What the fuck is that? Yo, make the color of the. That's actually this. Oh. Bitch! What the fuck niggas talking about? I should have won the spelling bee. I should have won the spelling bee. I'm too smart. I'm telling you, come on, nigga, glaze me. I'm too smart for this shit.
Jupiter.
Oh yeah, he's stupid.
Yo, Dip, you right? You just gotta spell it different. Yo, that's why you lost. That's why you.
Yeah, you're not supposed to get
Bro,
hits, bro.
my fault, bro. But you, I see why you lost the spelling bee.
Nah, he bugging. Yo, he's fucking.
I'm not really even in the mood, bro. I ain't gonna go back and forth.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Let me see.
Are you saying sorry? You don't gotta say sorry. That's a bitch move.
Alright, niggas go, cuz.
I'm just saying, you don't gotta say sorry.
Come on, y'all, chill off Dip, man. He's not having the best day, man.
Bro, what are you drawing?
Shut up, bitch, and maybe we can find out.
Fuck.
Hold on.
What the fuck is this?
W drawing,
Yes!
W drawing, right? W drawing, right?
Oh, set that shit tough, nigga. Set that shit tough. Y'all not fucking with me.
Fuck it,
Oh.
okay. Good dogs.
Boy, if you don't get your ass out of here.
Good dogs.
Round 2. It's good games.
I don't know any of these words.
Bro, Jose, you about to tell us, come on, bro. You can't tell us the second time.
Now you don't want to know nothing. Like, I don't understand.
Nah, niggas ain't go to school and shit.
Man. Whole time, bro was cheating.
Yeah. Ooh. Oh.
Fuck.
But that's a terrible drawing, bro.
It's the best it's gonna get, bro. I'm gonna be honest.
Bro, I swear, if this is some Jose, I swear I'm gonna be on your ass, nigga. This is some ugly ass shit. I'll tell you that for a fact.
I know it is.
Nigga said rainbow. Ban him. What is this? What is this?
Bro, hell no, bro.
This is some bullshit, I'll tell you that.
Dude, I'm getting the shittiest words, I swear.
I swear? Okay. I don't know, nigga. Nigga said catalog. I ain't lie. You can't blame him. You can't blame him.
No, I had Manure, Vise, and Catalog.
Alright.
Manure, nigga?
Nah, I ain't
No,
like
not Manure.
Oh, never mind now.
Nah, you can't blame him. Low-key, you can't blame him. You can't blame him.
Yeah. Getting ass words.
Tighter. Yo, get out of here, cuz.
Oh, shit.
Look like a nose. Mine's. Come on, cuz.
What?
Come on, cuz.
What is that?
Yeah, I see how I type with such efficiency. Learn from a goat. Learn from a goat.
Fuck,
What is that?
there, please.
Oh,
Right where you belong, nigga.
that's ass.
It really wasn't. You're just a little stupid.
Okay.
Alright, chill out. I'm trolling. Don't do some bullshit, bro. I knew it!
That's actually racist.
How is that racist?
Oh, not racist. That's never mind.
I knew it, bro. Prince,
For context.
don't blow me. Don't blow me, Prince. Don't blow me.
What the fuck?
I had to lock in.
Oh. Fuck! I zoned out. I zoned out.
You gotta be faster than that.
I zoned out. I zoned out. I zoned out.
I'm fucking tough, nigga.
You really not, nigga.
I'm really is.
You really could have wrote
is.
the shit in particular, but you wanted to make it a little hard.
You right?
Dominic.
What the fuck? Nigga. I'm gonna try my best, but y'all can't even. I don't know, nigga. Hold on. I'll do this to make it a little bit easier. Nobody's getting it. Nobody's getting it that fast, bro. Hold
The whole
fuck on.
friend group following me. Like, what the fuck?
No. Watch. I'm about to do the outside of it, right? Right? Am I doing this right? Hold on.
Bro, what is you drawing, bro?
Damn, nigga, give me a chance, Joe, bitch ass. Fuck. Damn, hold on. Okay. Alright, hold on. My fault. Watch it. No. Watch. Trust, gang. Trust. And then the colors be like red, I guess you could say. Come on, y'all think these are buttons. These are buttons.
But
I don't know. I don't really know how would you draw this shit, bro. This is the first time I was going to do the outside of it, but I was like, that's confusing.
Elevator.
Y'all niggas wasn't doing no better, bro.
that dumbass.
Nigga, the other one was fucking panini and some bullshit. What the fuck is a panini, nigga? You know Lil Nas X in this bitch?
That's a sandwich.
You said what?
It's a sandwich.
It is. Oh, y'all wasn't getting that stuff. What the fuck?
The fuck is this?
Some bullshit.
Boom,
What?
bitch. That's W Jones.
Oh.
It was.
Oh.
Who drawing?
Jose.
Me, yeah.
About fucking time you draw some good shit.
Yo, relax, 'cause I finally got good words.
Now he was getting some OD shit though.
There's like nothing more I can draw, so if you don't get it, you don't get it. I'm not
That
gonna
shit
lie.
like a peach though. That shit don't look like an apple.
I mean, there's no better colors.
Apple tree ass nigga.
That's that what I put at first too. Hey yo. You got hiccups, little boy?
Yo, shut up, nigga.
This nigga done. Whoop.
That's bad, man.
I gotta stop. Damn, restart.
The fuck is this? Did you say tsunami? Oh yeah, get him out of here. Nah, that's more than.
What?
The fuck is this? This is a pretzel?
Oh.
Velcro?
Yeah,
Are you serious?
I'm whooping your ass.
Drive.
What is this?
What the fuck, nigga, is this shit? Hold on. Oh, this part's starting to look nice though. Ooh, what is this?
Oh,
You keep saying, "Oh, you're not." Oh.
that makes sense. That's a W drawing.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Let's get
it. You could have put it on. You
Drawing.
could have put it on the bitch head though. I'm thinking this. I
They
don't
drawing.
even know, nigga. Why like you feel me? Her shit all the way
I
up
don't know.
there, nigga.
Nah, Prince, you stupid.
I gotta be right.
I gotta be.
Raid? Yo, is he dumb? Yo. Nah, that's not W drawings, bro.
Nah, I only got it because of the number of words.
I don't even know how this nigga.
Do some bullshit, Giles. Please, I want you to do some bullshit.
How do I make the screen black?
Oh, fill it. You gotta press the button and then fill it. There you
Okay, that'll be easier.
go. What the fuck, nigga?
Oh my god.
Nigga, what is this? What?
Yes. I don't know how. Like,
Yo, Deshaun, you got me, bro? Bro!
Favorite. That's one of my favorite characters.
Oh, yeah, I knew that.
Nigga can't.
Fuck!
whoa, that's W
I
drawing.
can't let this nigga beat me. No! He's too close!
That's W drawing.
Prince, don't sell, bro.
I'm out of sell.
Why you made them red?
Okay.
Bro, what the fuck?
What the fuck is this?
Oh! Bitch! Yeah, nigga.
Oh.
L fucking drawn, but
But y'all understood though, right?
only understood it because of the words, baby.
Man, but you understood though, right? Oh,
What the
ass nigga.
fuck? Alright,
I'm third, please.
I'm gonna do this. Fuck, how can I do this? Let me see. And then, you feel me? We gotta. Let's make like a, you know what I'm saying, little logo.
The fuck?
Oh shit, hold on, my fault. We could make that like on some like Toyota type shit or whatever logo that would be, you know what I mean? Yo, don't let me do it, bro.
But what are you drawing?
Can you give me a second, bitch?
Gotcha.
I don't even know how to. I ain't gonna lie. Shit. How do I put a chair on this nigga?
Damn.
I'm not the best today. I'm gonna be honest. Oh, never mind. I'm not the best today. Taxi? I wouldn't use these dumb niggas. Am I on top still? Yes. Okay, Josh.
You what?
Oh, I won! Glaze me. Everybody glaze me. Who's watching my stream? Who's watching my stream?
No, but you're a terrible drawer.
No. Who watching my stream trying to catch me like I'm cheating or some shit?
You gotta realize though, it's like like Jose can't throw, like this shit is insane.
We're gonna do another one. I'll put the game mode to hidden though.
I think for no reason.
Put it to hidden. It's gonna be harder now. A lot harder actually. I thought that one was too easy.
Nice, yeah. Oh shit, what the fuck?
Oh, I just typed that shit. Nigga,
Got
what
you.
the fuck is this?
I be drawing. W drawing.
Oh, bruh, my nigga.
That's a very good drawing.
Shit, bro.
And there you drawing. There you drawing. There you drawing.
What the fuck?
To help them, you should actually point what's.
Bro, what the fuck? Well, I put it on hidden, so does it mean it's 2 letters or not? Is it not 2 letters?
There's more than 2 letters.
Nigga!
Bro,
bro, I'm so fucking stupid. I put the words on hidden, so like that means you can't even guess it from the top. I was supposed to do combination, but we already started, so it's D.
Yeah, we gotta be a little more specific.
Oh, it's just certain question marks?
Yeah. I fucked up. That's on me. That's on me, bro. Oh, do you have on the back or y'all want to continue it?
No,
Just continue.
Right. That's on me.
Yeah, y'all gotta let me draw, before you start guessing.
With this one though, I'm supposed to make it like 110 seconds though, because it's more specific, so niggas need more time.
I gotta wait for one more thing, then we good.
Oh. Damn, nigga, you typing like a Flash. Calm down. I hit the chill out, bro. The kid, we're not going nowhere. Bad weather. Get him out. Nah, yo, this shit is way harder.
Nigga, this is it.
What?
Oh, shit. Okay. Okay. Shit. I'm mad at it, nigga.
What, stupid?
Yes, you are.
I can't do nothing else here.
Nah,
I gotta
good.
be
You
stupid.
did good. Oh, nah, Prince, you already know that you are, man. You don't need nobody to tell you that, gang. Should I put my cam like more up here? Oh no, when I got it! Oh! Thank you. Zabios in the chat. Zabios. Giles, don't blow nigga shit, please, bro.
I don't even know what to.
Oh,
I picked the wrong one.
Yo, you see, I literally just warned you, bro. This nigga about to sell us, bro.
Hold on now.
Like I said.
Fuck, I don't know how to draw this.
This nigga fried us. You might as well give us the word, bro. First type it in and then this it. You know what I'm saying?
No.
He on some pussy nigga shit. Drop that motherfucking word. Nigga, what is that? Mustard on a pan? Nah, it's hidden. Church? Oh, nigga, no.
Like church baskets?
Wow, I don't know. I
Like
mean,
the donations.
why would what's yellow in the donations, Jose?
Like coins. I don't know.
I don't know what else to put with this.
Just tell us the word. Tell us the word. First one that we got.
Cake.
You so
Dumbass.
you so bitch. You was a bitch.
Dumbass.
Are you serious, nigga?
Did I not type that out?
You couldn't represent cook?
Nigga, I did.
Oh, I put cooking.
I cook cooking too, but it don't even let you know that you close to the word.
Yeah.
Nah, I fucked up with this mode, bro. This mode is. But we had this word, bro. That's not even fair. That's not even fair.
Nigga did my exact drawing.
You gotta be more attentive.
Oh shit. Let me do Nah, I wanna do some hard shit. Everybody wanna keep doing it, you know what I'm saying? Let me do some hard shit.
Nigga, it's already hard.
Whoa, what you talking about?
Yeah, Deshaun, that was low-key insane.
Nigga, we playing a game, bro.
Is this nigga drawing?
Yeah, so this is my drawing. Fuck, nigga. Wait, hold on. I forgot that. Nigga, how the fuck?
That's how you know the dry ass. He surprised everybody.
Suck my dick, nigga. They be having like this, I think, and I be having like. No, that's gonna confuse niggas. You know these niggas are gonna stupid, so we gotta stoop down to their dumbass level. Yeah, this is how they look. I just searched it up, so don't even say this is Eldron. This is exactly how them ugly ass niggas look. Nah.
Bro, I don't know what the fuck you drew, bro.
Cause you stupid.
A stingray? What the fuck is that?
Search it up. That's how stingray look. That's
Bro, the shit that be in the fucking water.
Bro.
Yeah,
You should have looked into
nigga,
a different color angle.
Niggas just making words up.
nigga drew a straw.
Yo! Prince! Why you on my stream? Yo! Why is my stream tab on your shit? I caught you, nigga! I fucking caught you, nigga!
Bro, what are you talking about, nigga? I got you.
Niggas is cheating. Yo, W Jameer in the chat, bro. She just told me like they gotta be cheating. Yo, you do deserve, bro. Yo, this nigga's a cheater, bro.
Man, I'm not even cheating. Your ass tripping, nigga.
This nigga's a fucking cheater. Oh, okay.
Am I dumb?
You should have just put a nigga in a ski. Nah, I ain't know niggas was cheating though. Say that. Say that.
What?
I gotta put my eye on your bitch ass now. Like, why I gotta do that though? Ma. I gotta do that. I'm thinking this nigga really got that shit. This nigga on my shit. Yo.
Yeah, niggas cheating. Skribble is crazy.
I'm saying, you gotta be a stupid ass nigga to cheat.
Yo, why they been cheat, nigga?
Nigga, I seen it. I seen it before you pressed X, nigga. I seen it.
Nigga, bro, I was watching your stream earlier. That's why I just said at the top. But you said
if I go back in your VOD and I see my shit, nigga.
You can do that.
I'm up to your crib, nigga.
You can do that, nigga. No, I am.
Rude. Oh, I already know. Oh, okay.
Stupid boy.
This one ain't gonna just be. You can get it easily.
Oh.
Spell it right?
That's it.
Huh? Was it 2 words?
Jamil, you trying to spell the same shit?
We saying Barbara, you
How
saying
you
why?
spell
Are you
it?
stupid? What the fuck? No, we spelling it. I'm spelling it right. You're not spelling it right, but it's not going through.
What the fuck?
No, I already tried that. What the fuck is this? Nigga.
Yes, sir.
Yo, Jose. Yo, you feel me?
So,
You know what I'm saying? We homies and shit, gang. You feel me?
I mean, you're right, kind of.
What the fuck, nigga? If this is some
Nigga, how
bullshit.
you spell this shit?
Nigga, I said that shit!
Barbed wire.
Yeah, you just say bar though.
I knew that.
Oh.
5-star, yeah, but you're not a top, Lord. Giles, please, bro, please. Please. I'm begging you, please. What? Oh.
Did I draw the right flag?
Are you?
Nigga, that
Search it up.
Yeah, that's the right one.
Oh.
Make this better, though. Yeah, it's the right one.
What?
I'm not a draw still. Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, I thought that shit was China for a second.
I said China, Russia, North Korea. I done said the whole book.
Nigga, y'all don't play FIFA for real. That's the problem.
I do play FIFA though.
But, like, I don't know what else to do.
Come on, bro. Y'all know where Ray from. Face ass.
Oh!
No way.
Yeah, yo, that's crazy.
Nigga, I lied my ass off.
Bro, I tried to spell Vietnam. I spelled it
Yeah,
wrong.
you too stupid, that's why.
Alright, hold on. Where the blue at?
Bro, all these. Fuck, I forgot that one. No.
It's close.
Oh, shit. Thanks for that assist.
This nigga probably on my stream, his bitch ass.
No, I'm not. That nigga Jose actually helped. W Jose in the chat, man.
Jose little ass GM. Yo, what's good, chat?
I'm getting tired, man. After this, I'm off.
Chat. Bro, that's...
This is too easy,
I'm
bro. Nah,
I'm last place. What the fuck?
you right where you belong. I got to. A nigga is tired. A nigga is tired. Actually, let me make it bigger. Nah, hold on. All right, last time.
Bro, what the fuck?
Nigga, I'm sorry. I'm trying to make it good for you, bro. TP.
What he doing, nigga?
Then boom, and then boom. Then W drawing or L drawing?
Decent. The color's kind of throwing it off.
I'm just drawing my shampoo, nigga. Oh fuck. Oh. Well. My fault.
That ass nigga.
I was drawing my method shit. Fuck, I just cooked myself.
This nigga's out to draw my shit food, nigga.
I'm stupid as fuck. I'm dumb as hell. Add a hero. What's talking about for my sheet? What the fuck is that? Oh. Are you done, nigga? Oh.
But he just drawn whatever, bro.
What you talking about? Who just farted, nigga? I just heard that shit. This nigga said Jamil? Yeah, you's a dirty ass nigga, bro. Say excuse me, cuz.
Excuse me.
Alarm for what?
Black man. Bro, what?
They just be drawing anything, bro. I swear to God.
I swear I don't know what this nigga is drawing right now. Oh! Oh! I'm so stupid. Nah. Hold on. Yo, you smart as shit.
He did that one.
I'm like, what you talking?
W jar.
W, bro. W, nigga.
Yeah, I know y'all see this in the morning when it's time to get up.
If y'all don't get it, y'all don't get it. This is actually good drawing. This is actually good drawing.
Alarm, nigga.
But you could have drew a clock shaking or some shit. I would have got that bitch.
So what did you try to draw first?
But he drew the
I was trying to draw a clock, but y'all were saying like y'all weren't gonna guess it. I'm gonna be honest. Y'all weren't gonna guess it.
You trying to draw Compton?
Dang, everybody ain't gonna get this.
Oh nah, he a for so fast nigga.
Hey yo.
Nah, if you know, you know. Some people don't though.
Somebody said penis.
Bro, go to spin, bro. Chill out.
Oh yeah, hold on.
Pay attention to the colors.
I'm gonna spell this.
You know, you don't know it, nigga. Shut up.
Boom,
Jamel House. Nigga just eating me up today. Oh!
boom, boom. I don't gotta show the full arms.
What the fuck?
Is you actually talking about the player that wears number 7? Oh fuck no.
Nah, no way, bro. You can't even do that.
Nah, he's very
try
known.
that.
Well, some people. Some people don't. Actually, if I just I'm gonna just do it like this.
Bro, I don't know how to spell his last name.
It's crazy. Okay.
Nigga, come on, bro.
Yeah, that makes sense now.
This nigga Giles, bro.
Nah, you see?
No.
No.
That's low-key L.
Man.
How would you do that? You know none of us watch football. That's low-key L, bro.
Nigga, that's my favorite team, nigga. So of course I'm gonna pick it.
So you gonna pick a word that nobody know but only football nigga in here.
Too bad, nigga.
That's like a
Bet.
personal
That's
That's what I'm saying.
That's like a personal problem.
Oh, okay, bet. Say no more. I'm picking a hard shit now. Say no more.
Nigga, I don't care if I win or lose, nigga. Pick what you want.
Shut your bitch ass up when I'm speaking. Fuck, nigga.
That's why you ain't get it.
What the fuck is this?
We got Skittles in a cup.
This polka dot man? What the fuck is this?
Bro, what the fuck is he drawing?
Imagine that's numbers. Fuck. We could.
Sure that's not gang signs?
We could.
That should come in like gang
Okay.
signs, boy.
Boom.
Oh, okay.
No, imagine these are numbers.
It's a terrible ass fucking drawing, but hey,
Imagine these are numbers.
A terrible ass fucking
EVK.
Yeah,
Like I don't know what else to do.
it's a lot you could do, brother, man. A lot. You don't. That bitch don't even got a base to it, nigga. Your shit in the air. This shit don't got a base, nigga. That's not the base.
This is the base,
That's
right
not
here.
the base, cuz. That's not the base, bro. That's the fucking. That's a number pad to the bitch or some shit.
Is it? I thought that's how these come, don't they?
No, bro. You gotta finish it, gang.
A blender,
Oh.
nigga.
I'm so close to first place. I gotta beat Giles. I gotta beat Giles.
The blend was the numbers.
The fuck? How am I supposed to draw this nigga?
You said, nigga. Gotta be that. Stupid boy. You should never said nigga. Should never said nigga. He said nigga.
Bro.
I seen yellow.
No, draw the red. Yeah.
Yes. I win, right? That's game? Please tell me I won twice. Please. That's an ugly ass nigga though. You're not supposed to write letters, dumbass, and you just put in a whole. This nigga stupid.
Pikachu! Come on,
This
man.
game?
Nah, I had to write the letters because niggas was. Oh, shit.
Oh yes.
Not
Oh
good.
yes. Oh yes. Oh yes.
I think I gotta get this right to win.
I forgot how this motherfucker look like. Oh, okay. It's like, first off, I gotta make this bitch black. Nah, it don't matter, nigga, because I still get points just for doing it. So fuck off, bitch.
I just like to draw.
Bro, how the fuck, nigga? Type of bullshit is you on?
Who the fuck is this?
I watch too much anime. I watch too much anime for this.
Nigga, this not even anime related, nigga.
Yeah,
nah.
Cheating.
Hold on, no, I got
Cheating, nigga.
Who is this?
Nah, he gotta be cheated, cause there's no way he actually got this shit.
Take the vibe, yo.
I guess I can write colors. Hey.
Oh, I wasn't good.
Hell no.
Nigga, hell yeah, search it out, that's how they look. I won, that's why that fucking matters.
Hell no, he got it.
Yeah, he cheated, right? He had to. I'll watch the VOD, don't worry. Yeah, I will.
Hey, watch that shit, nigga. Fuck.
I will, bitch.
Oh, who talking to that?
It ain't even that deep.
Nah, it is that deep, niggas. Get that deep.
Nah, niggas be cheating, bro. That shit insane to me.
Shut up, you nigga. I saw I beat your ass last second. I came like LeBron in 2016, Game 7, boy. Stop fucking with me, boy.